Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, join the little family. I would love to have you. So for today's video, I'm going to do an eyebrow tutorial because in one of my makeup tutorials, you guys really wanted me to do a brow tutorial. I just wanted to tell you guys really quick that for my brows, I use the Abh Dipbrow Pomade in medium brown. It looks like this. So basically what I do is get the Anastasia number 14 brush. I really recommend this brush. I love it so much. I just scoop some out and then smear it on the back of my hand right here because if you go in right away, it doesn't apply as nicely. You need to warm up the product, and you guys probably think that your dip brow pomades are dried out, but maybe you just need to like warm up the product. So I would really recommend doing that. I just brush it out with my spoolie once I apply the product, and then I set it with some brow gel, and that's pretty much it. But I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and keep on watching. So yeah guys, that's basically what I do for my eyebrows. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're not to join my little family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.